Welcome to part 2 of the Vivitar Creator Series. It's a ring light that I bought at Walmart for $49.95 or $49.99 or something like that. A few pennies difference. It's 18-inch full spectrum white. You got a built-in charger, angle adjust, so the head can go up and down or sideways. Multi-device slots. Basically, you can put your camera and a number of cameras actually. Turnable bright. Well, you can adjust the bright, and the LED lights around the big light there is 416 of them, little tiny little lights, making the light brighten up. Okay, let's flip this over. Okay, and again, this is the back of it again, the box anyways. This is part 2, so part 1 I'll show you the unboxing, taking all the parts off. I'm just going over again some of the features that it has there, okay? You got your light stand, you got your ring light. The light stand is 16.9 inches, and you're looking at about the maximum capacity of weight that you can put on this thing is 6.6 pounds. Okay, now I'm going to show you it all put together, and I'll go over it, and we'll go from there. Okay, this is the setup for the Vivitar Creator Series. And there's your 18-inch light, and you have your on and off switch right here. This cable here goes to your phone for charging, but it does not come with the set. This is your power cable here. And this here is the color temperature right here. Okay, and that is the stand at full mount, 63 inches. And this cord, you're looking at about 9. I think it's even more. I didn't really measure it, but you got quite a bit of power cord, okay? That's it there. Now I'm gonna turn the knob and put it on. Okay. It gets plugged in. There we are. All right, so now it's on. And this here is your remote. Okay. Now, let's show you how it works. I'm going to take the light off in the room, show you how bright it is, okay? And with the remote here, whoop, can't see it. With the remote here, here's your on and off switch. On, off, room is dark, and back on again. Okay, get the camera to focus on this for a second. Okay, so that's your remote. Now this here, if you want a neutral color, you can do this, like that, as you can see the light there. And if you want a medium color, okay, that's cool, that's warm, that's medium. Okay, let's just bring this up again. And now with these here, as you have it in medium, if you put the arrows this way, you can make adjustments as well too. Okay, let's focus on that. So again, medium. And that's cool, warm. Maybe I should shorten the light. That, cool, warm, neutral, max this way and max that way. And again, your off and on switch. Okay. I'm trying to do everything with one hand. So it works pretty well. So if anybody is looking to get a good priced light, ring light, this is not bad. You know, as I said, the tripod is okay. It's just make sure with these knobs here you don't really crank them, okay? Because you know they're plastic and it won't last long. But it'll last long if you just don't crank all the knobs, okay? You can take that off there like so. Right now the phone is still charging, okay? As soon as you put this in, it starts to charge, even if this is off, okay? And it's not a bad little buy for $49.99, okay? It'll serve its purpose. And this knob here is to make the light go down and pivot, okay? And this, you can turn the light all the way around, and here's a knob to hold it to whatever position you want. So it's not hard to put together, okay? And these here are little ports. You can stick this unit right here, have the camera here, you can have the camera here, you can have the camera right here as well too. And you go 1, 2, and 3 more spots you can put the camera. So if you want to take portraits, you want to do TikTok, YouTube, this is not a bad little buy. So this ends part 2, and I hope you got all the information you needed to make a decision as to if you want to buy one of these things. So please support my channel. If you can subscribe and like, it'll help me out. And I'll post more videos and better videos, I promise. So thank you very much.